Alright, so we're going to go over simple interest and compound interest. So here we have two different formulas. This right here, this is for simple interest. And over here, this is for compound interest. So think of, for both of these are different ways that interest can accumulate for a loan or an investment. So think of if you were going to buy, if you were going to get a loan for $3,000, and well, how does the bank make money when you get a loan? Well, they charge interest, right? So they're going to charge you an interest rate for a certain amount of time. So let's say you want to get a car for $10,000. So $10,000, so you get a loan for $10,000. All right, so that would be your principal. So that's your P. And we're trying to find out how much money that the bank is going to basically add on to your loan, aka interest. So, and they charge you 4%. But remember, we have to turn that into a decimal, so it's going to be 0.04. And so again, this is the percent that the bank is going to charge you for you borrowing their money. And it's going to be for a span of 5 years. All right. So we have the I, which is what we're looking for. This is our principal. This is our interest rate. And this is our time. The interest rate is always a percent. So like your problem will look like such and such gets a loan for $10,000 at 4%. And the 4% will automatically tell you that's the R. So to find out the interest that is being added to this, it would be, this is how you would do it. 10,000 times 0.04 times 5. Boom. So $2,000. So is what we got. So what does that mean? So really, you got a loan for $10,000, but due to interest, the bank is charging you an extra $2,000 in total payments. That's like their way of, I guess, punishing you for not having the, well, not really punishing, but that's the bank's way of making money. And so that's how you find I. So if you wanted to see the total amount that this person paid to get the loan, you would simply just add the interest to the principal. All right, so now we're going to go over here to compound. Compound interest. You do it about the same, but except you're just going to plug it in to the formula, to this formula, excuse me. So one thing that you're going to notice is that compound, it says A equals, which is the amount total, whereas simple is just for the interest. So if we're going to do the same problem, I mean not the same problem, but the same numbers. Golly, I'm so bad at writing the numbers on this thing. $10,000. Open parenthesis. It's very important that you put parentheses. Also, real quick, for those of y'all who don't have a calculator, you go to this website, .desmos.com. And it's basically like a free graphing calculator. But also, if you want a graphing calculator, I can set it out in the Dropbox in front of the school. So let me know. Anyway, so parenthesis 1. 1 is just 1. You're writing that down every time. Plus the rate, which was 4%, so you're going to write as 0.04. Parenthesis in the time, which is 5, as an exponent. So Sorry, my dog's making noise. So, here's what we're going to do. Since I don't actually have my graphing calculator, I'm going to have to do it through PinDOS and actually like figure this bad boy out through that way. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The first thing is parentheses. So, this is automatically going to turn into 1.04 to the 5th. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oh. Golly, I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. This is not fun. 1.05 times 1.05. Okay, I believe that's to the 5th. 1.28 is what we're going to call it. Basically, we have 10,000, which I'm just going to write the 10K, because that's the same as 10,000, just to abbreviate it. So, now we're going to do 10,000, oops. So, we got 12,800 as our answer. Now, simple interest gave us, yes, simple interest. When you put it in the equation, that gives you the interest. Now, for this, gives you the total amount. So, when it's compound, how would you find what the interest is? You would simply just subtract 10,000 from 12,800. So the interest rate, or not interest rate, the total interest added to this would be 2,800. All right. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if not, and I'll try to get you another video. And also I'll try to post y'all some videos that may help. All right. Anyway, have a great day.